Karnataka Revenue Minister Krishna Byre Gowda on Friday strongly denied allegations that he had encroached upon government land in Garudanapalya village of Kolar Taluk, asserting that his family's ownership of the land was legally established several decades ago. Making a voluntary statement in the Karnataka Assembly, Gowda responded to accusations levelled by the BJP earlier this week. The opposition had alleged that Gowda illegally grabbed 21 acres of land, claiming it was originally recorded as a lake and burial ground, and demanded his resignation along with a judicial inquiry. Rejecting the charge, Gowda told the House that repeated attempts were being made to target those working sincerely in public life. He said such allegations were politically motivated and did not warrant disturbance. Explaining the background of the land, Gowda said the entire village originally belonged to the Mysore royal family, which had purchased it in 1923. In 1953, the Maharaja's secretary leased the land to his grandfather, Chaude Gowda. Although the land was later sold to former Chief Minister Habibullah Khan in 1959, Chaude Gowda challenged the sale before the Mysore Appellate Tribunal. He said the dispute was eventually settled, following which Habibullah Khan transferred ownership of the entire 256-acre village to Chaude Gowda, a fact clearly recorded in the sale deed. Addressing claims of encroachment on tank land, Gowda clarified that while 2 tanks exist on the property, the land is legally registered in his family's name. He asserted that not an inch of the tanks or water channels has been encroached upon and invited authorities to inspect the site to verify the facts.
ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯವರು ಅವರಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಭಾಗ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಂತೂ ಏನೇನೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಭಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಕೊನೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಮನವಿ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು, ತಾವು ವಿರೋಧ ಪಕ್ಷದ ನಾಯಕರ ಸಲಹೆಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಸಲಹೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ನಾನು ತಯಾರಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಮನವಿನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ನೀವು ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರೇ ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಭಾ ನಾಯಕರು ವಿರೋಧ ಪಕ್ಷದ ನಾಯಕರು ಇಬ್ಬರದ್ದು ಸಲಹೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಯಾರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಭಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರೇ. ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ತಯಾರಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನನ್ನ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಂತೂ
ಈಗ 1 ಎಕರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ. ಇದು ನೀವು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಸರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್, ಏನು
ನೀವೇ
ಸಭಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರೇ
ಪರಿಣಾಮ
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ